Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. Happy Wednesday to you. It is Wednesday, December 21st. It is almost Christmas. Actually, it's the 22nd, isn't it? Today's the 22nd. So the 22nd of December. Christmas is on Saturday. So tomorrow's the 23rd. We are back open tomorrow. We're closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, so we are closed today. We're actually getting ready to cater a party this evening. So we're catering an off-premise party and for the holidays. So we're getting ready for that. We've been working in the office all day. We are putting a price tag on our New Year's Eve party box. We are pairing up with White Cliff Vineyards, and that will be released tomorrow. You can get wine from White Cliff. You can get one of their Method Champenoise and another bottle of wine from White Cliff, and food from us, and you can enjoy your New Year's Eve at home. So the price and all the details will be coming out tomorrow for that for New Year's Eve. So if you're staying home and you want to enjoy Aroma Times food and also have a box of food and breakfast in the morning for New Year's Day, that box and the details will be coming out tomorrow, so stay tuned for that email and that information. Marcus will be releasing that tomorrow. So that is exciting. I've been in the office working all day. We did some groceries today. We did lots of salmon. People were buying wild salmon for Christmas, for Christmas Eve. So I actually did two 10-pound boxes today. I sold two 10-pound boxes. I've been doing gift certificates all day. It has been a busy day here at Aroma Time. We've had a volunteer in the kitchen cutting bread, making stuffing for our soup kitchen. Because if you do not know, we are a soup kitchen on Christmas Day. We will be feeding about 250, 300 people this year through our soup kitchen. It's all deliveries, all done on volunteers and donations from people like you. So thank you everybody for all of your wonderful, wonderful donations. That helps us feed more and more people every year, or more people every year. This year we'll be feeding senior citizens and the needy and people that are just by themselves over the holidays and just need a meal. So we're excited. This is our 19th year of doing that. If you can donate, there's a link on our website. We don't really need too many more volunteers. We maybe need one more person in-house to help us pull this off, but for the most part, we have volunteers. But what we do need is baked desserts. So if you are making desserts before Christmas and you can deliver some desserts here to us at Aroma Time by Friday or even Saturday morning, Christmas Day, we will be giving each family desserts so that they have a meal and dessert for Christmas Day that is delivered to them, and they can enjoy not having to cook on Christmas. So that is our Christmas Day soup kitchen. We do have a jar here at Aroma Time, so if it's on the bar, if you would like to come in and donate and put some money in that jar, that is awesome as well. So we are gearing up. We are going to have a very busy few days here. So Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday's Christmas. So I should be on tomorrow. If I'm not, I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas. I should be on Friday. Friday we open at 4 o'clock for Christmas Eve, and the kitchen will close around 9:30, 10 o'clock or so. We'll close about 10. So make your reservations for Christmas Eve, and we will be here. So and you can always come in and buy gift certificates up to Christmas Eve. So that is always available to you. Thank you everybody for watching me. Lots of people on. Hello Julia. Hello Janet. I saw Cheryl and Kim and Howard and Ann. So thank you everybody. Happy holidays to you all. We really appreciate you. Tomorrow our new $9.99 special starts. We're going to be doing shrimp scampi all week. So that will be our special, our $9.99 takeout special all week. Our regular menu is available for takeout too. So if you don't want to cook on Christmas Eve, you can order takeout from us and come pick it up and enjoy our delicious food for Christmas Eve. We are closed on Christmas Day. We are open as a soup kitchen, and that is our rundown for that. Today I'm going to be making Christmas in a glass, and I'm going to be using Fantanelle Prosecco. I'm going to be using rosemary simple syrup and some cranberry juice. So simple, easy. Let's see. I'm going to start with. I'm going to rim my glass with some sugar. So I'm putting a little bit of agave on the glass. And I'm going to dip it into my sugar. So you have a sugared rim here. There you go, a nice sugared rim. I am going to add my Prosecco. We love Fantanelle. They're in Italy. Love what they're doing. I love Marco and his wife. Love them. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna grab some cranberries, some fresh cranberries from my cooler. I'm going to add a little bit of rosemary, simple syrup. And I'm gonna mix that on up in there. Yum. Doesn't that look good? Prosecco and rosemary syrup. I'm going to add some cranberry juice. Now our cranberry juice does not have high fructose corn syrup in it, so it's not the typical color of cranberry juice. It's a little bit lighter. And I'm going to add some cranberries right on top, just like that. They're going to float in there, and that's it. Simple, easy. You can make a whole big jug of this for Christmas so your friends and family can enjoy it with you. Cheers to everybody. And you know, this is really, I like this. Let's see if I can do this. This one looks nice. Let's see. It might be hard, but I want to put some cranberries. You know, if you've noticed lately, I'm trying to step up my game when it comes to my garnishes. That's kind of my goal. So there we go. So there you have it. Let's go ahead and taste. That is delicious. That is really easy to make, everybody. Buy some Prosecco, buy some champagne, any sparkling wine will do. Make your own simple syrup, take some rosemary and agave, boil it down, and then just strain out the rosemary from there. Add a little bit of cranberry juice, and there you have it. You have a beautiful cocktail for the holidays. So hello Shannon. Cheers from Ellenville to Ellensburg, Washington. Hello Jordan. Thank you everybody. I really appreciate you watching me. I really appreciate your support. I appreciate everybody and all that this year has brought to us. Let 2022 be a better year for everybody. And I guess that's it for today. Hopefully we'll see everybody over the weekend or soon. Have a happy holiday. Enjoy your friends and family. Cheers. And I will catch you all tomorrow on my Facebook Live. Have a wonderful, wonderful night.